How do I compare a row value in one column to all other rows in a different column within a group? I have a data frame that has the columns user_i.d, product_i.d, created_at and removed_at. I want to add a Boolean column is_switch that is true if, for a given user, the timestamp for created_at is the within a timer delta, let's say 1 second, as a removed_at for any other row in that user group. How can I do this without iterating over every row, or is that the appropriate way to do it? I am trying to write a custom function to use with apply that will run on each user group, but I'm not sure how to compare rows with all the other rows in one shot. Yields this. So I currently have something like this. I would like to add the is_switch column, so the output is this.
Use groupby.apply with custom function. First replace missing values by some default value datetime, for example timestamp.min, and then per groups compare columns with broadcasting, all values with created_ by removed_at. Get absolute values, compare by 1 second and return at least one true per rows by any.
One-liner with B. Output.
Some